Ito, 7-seater na Honda at diesel pa. I got you na naman. Good morning guys. So meron tayo dito 2018 Honda CR-V automatic transmission diesel engine. Exterior wise tayo, sobrang gandang original paint. 17 inches wheels, makakapalang tires. Sa harap naman tayo guys, LED day running light, projector headlights, all-weather fog lamps, chrome grille at tuwang ending. At dito naman sa loob, napaka-fresh na steering wheel, may mga controls sa dito at may cruise control na rin to. May paddle shifter para sa sports mode niya, fully digital display with 72,000 mileage on the clock, well-designed na dashboard at fresh leather seat. May infotainment system na rin, automatic climate control, electronic gear selector, electronic parking brake, eco mode, may outlet source dito, 2 cup holders dito, storage space dito at another one pa dito with USB ports at storage space din dito. Vanity mirror sa passenger at driver side. May shade holder na rin to at super impact na headliner. At dito sa second row, okay ang legroom at headroom, 6 foot ang height ko. May aircon vent siya dito. Wala siyang aircon vents dito, pero dito meron. And of course, may armrest to na may 2 built-in cup holders. And of course guys, it's a 7-seater, so meron siyang third row seat. At meron siyang elevated na lagayan dito. Kompleto rin to ng mga tools, spare tire and jack. At kung meron ka na maikakarga, pwede mong gawin to. Boom! Sa engine naman tayo guys, is a 1.6 liter ID.Tech 4-cylinder 9-speed turbocharged diesel engine. So yung kondisyon ng makina, napakaayos. Magdala ka ng scanner at mekaniko para ma-assure mo. So this is the 2018 Honda CR-V automatic diesel engine. So kung gusto nyo to guys, for only 995,000 pesos lang. Open to for cash, financing, and trade-in transaction. Sa financing, 1-day approval, high approval rate, and hassle-free transaction. Sa cash, sobrang basic lang para ka lang bumili ng candy. Sa trade-in naman, dali mo yung auto gusto mo i-trade, presa natin maayos, or mamili ka sa over 50 units available natin dito sa showroom natin. Dito lang tayo sa Las Piñas BF Resort. Waze lang, Darsgen Auto Exchange. Puntahan mo na kami. Tumawag ka na. Baka maunahan ka pa. Thank you guys. Peace out.